Padail, have you thought about what you want to do after we graduate?
Yes, of course. I have after I finish the college, which will be in 2 years. I plan to work for a technology company. I want to gain experience during the time when I'm still young and energetic.
That sounds solid. I'm actually planning something a bit different. When I graduate, I want to take a gap year before I start working.
Oh, really? What are you going to during the year when you're not studying or working in that year?
I want to travel and volunteer. There's program that starts when the summer ends, and they send volunteers to rural areas to help with education.
Oh, that's interesting. So, you're planning your future around experience that happened before you settle into a full-time job?
Exactly. I believe that the time when we explore ourselves is just as important as building a career.
I get that. For me, I want stability first. When I get my first job, I will probably focus on saving money and investment and helping my family also.
That's responsible. Do you see yourself staying in the same job after the time when you get the promoted?
Not really. I think I'll stay for a few years, then move on after I gain enough experience that prepares me for bigger challenge and more than that.
Makes sense. I've also thought about continuing my studies. After the period when I finish volunteering, I might apply for a master degree abroad.
Wow, abroad. That must be exciting. When you study overseas, you learn a lot about different culture in another country. Tiga.
Yeah, and I think the time when I live alone in another country will really shape who I am.
Honestly, hearing your plans makes me rethink mine. Before the moment when I fully commit to work, maybe I should explore more options for my future.
It's never too late to adjust your plans. The future is not fixed, especially during the years when we're still learning.
Yeah, that's true. I also plan to start my own business maybe someday, but only after the time when I understand the industry well enough.
That's smart. Starting a business before you're ready can be risky.
Exactly. I don't want to rush things. I believe success comes during the time when the preparation makes opportunity.
That's good mindset. For me, success is more about balance. I want a life that allows me to grow while I'm chasing my dreams.
I like that. So, where do you see yourself 10 years from now? When you look back at this conversation?
Ho- Hopefully, I'll be doing something meaningful, maybe teaching or leading a social project that began when I decided to follow my passion.
And I hope I'll be running a company that I built after years of hard work and learning.
Whatever happens, I think the future that awaits us depends on the choice we make now.
Yeah, especially during this time when we still have many paths open.
Agreed. Let's promise to support each other when things get difficult in the future.
Deal. No matter when that time comes, I'll remember this moment.